Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use App Privacy Report on your iPhone. So first things first, let's go to Settings, and then you want to scroll down to section Privacy and Security. Now let's find here section App Privacy Report under Transparency Logs. Let's go here and let's select Turn on App Privacy Report. So this section will show you which applications have accessed sensitive data, for example, photos, camera, locations, contacts, etc., within the last week. And you'll see them right here in this section. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.